Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Device to Oukitel WP35. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oukitel. Also on OnePlus, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then simply point it at the code. When you finished, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!